You know what the toughest thing is for people that are abused after you get past getting abused? The number one thing is that when you find yourself with the courage to finally say something, because usually you harbor it for years or decades, and finally, when you realize that, I don't know, whatever you realize, don't give a fuck, I don't know, overcame it, you overcame your shame, you tell somebody, right? You're like, I was abused. And you tell someone that you love and care, right? And then them some bitches, they don't believe you, right? Do you know I went through that? When I told my mom that I had been abused by my brother, who was my stepbrother, when I was younger, for a summer, do you know that my own family, and I won't name names, but people that were close to me, that helped raise me, called my mom and told her, he's lying. Can you imagine that? Like I would make something like it. Do I look like I'm in a Trump trial or something? Do I look like I'm one of these guys that makes fucking shit up? Do you think I want to tell the whole world that I have spent a summer eating on my brother's thing and getting blown up like a damn blow-up doll? Both holes, everything? Because that was what he said I needed to do, and I idolized him. Because when I was lucky enough to be with a woman, I would know what to do. And the sad part about it was, after going through therapy at the Road to Venture, you know what they told me? That hurt people, right? And that he had been done that way, because you just don't learn that behavior. Okay. But what about them sons of bitches that call me family, uncle, brother, cousin, that looked at me and called my mom and told everybody around this country, oh, he's lying. Do I look like I'm fucking lying now? That's been 15 years ago. Do you think if I was lying that I would still be telling the truth and running it down your fucking throats because y'all are a bunch of idiots? No. Do I give a fuck? Not really. But what I do give a fuck is about people that have gone through what I've gone through, and the next son of a bitch looking at him saying, well, you're lying. Bitch, I got $400 at any given time. And there's a polygraph place in Little Rock. And all you got to do is bring your $400 since you feel so confident, and we'll lay it on the table. And I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to take your fucking money, and I'm going to embarrass the living hell out of you, because you was stupid enough to think I wasn't telling you the truth. All right? And the millions of people that have been abused, and the thousands that will be abused in the future. The dignity that you could give them. Now, I'm not talking about a prostitute that says she got abused, okay? A grown woman. I'm not talking about a woman that claims to get raped by her husband. Impossible. I'm not talking about somebody that's trying to gig, a celebrity, or somebody that's made themselves something of themselves for money. I'm talking about the nuts and fucking bolts and fabric of fucking America, right? The people that go to church and pray and bust their nuts every day to overcome and become better. They have to fucking keep a budget to buy some fucking groceries and count the change in the gas. Those motherfuckers. You owe it to them to believe them. You don't have to fucking understand. You know, you can tell the truth. It's just by seeing if someone's genuine. It's in your spirit. Yeah. So if you've been done that way, I've been done that way. For sure. And it's okay. I just use this fuel to punish these motherfuckers with my success. Fluid English.